I have taken, again, these tortilla shells. This is not low carb, this one is, and I have turned it into yet another delicious creation, and that being a burrito bowl. That's what you guys, a burrito bowl. This is an edible bowl that we are going to fill with delicious ingredients: lettuce, tomato, beans, rice for him, cauli rice for me, and meat, you guys. And again, you can eat both. So if you want to learn how to put this together, then stick with me and I will show you how coming up next. So the first thing that we need to do is to make our mold, or of course you can buy one, but why spend money on something when you can DIY it? So what we're gonna do is make one out of aluminum foil. And what I did is I took a bowl, okay, that was to support the size of my shells, and this will work just fine. I took some aluminum foil, and I am going to double this just for stability. Fold it in half. And then we are going to drape it over this bowl to form the shape. And as you can see, we have the shape, okay? So let's go ahead and take this out. And just fold down the edges. Okay, you guys, and we have our mold. So what we need to do at this point is to go on over to the stove and put a little oil in the skillet. I'm gonna use avocado oil and just heat these on each side just to make them really, really pliable. So that way, when we drape them over this mold, they won't break and they will hold the shape. So I'll see you at the stove. Okay, so to this heated skillet, I'm going to add some avocado oil and then heat this shell on both sides. And we don't want to brown it. We just want to heat it through once again, just to make it pliable. Okay, you guys, this is ready. Okay, so I found the easiest way to form this into the shape that I need it to be is to take the foil mold, okay, drape this shell around it, and then take another bowl and then put it on top and let this sit for about a minute and it will take on a shape. All right, everyone, let's take this off and we've got our bowl shape here, like that. Okay, and just slide this in just like this. And there you have it. So off to the oven this goes, 400 degree preheated oven for about 10 minutes. And we will check on it to see if it is nice and crispy the way we need it to be. If it's not, we'll just stick it back in for a couple more minutes. And then you guys, this will be done and we will end up with a product that looks like this. Okay, everyone, these shells are ready. As you know, this one was already done. And this is the low carb.